Welcome students. We will learn today a power plant based on nuclear energy. The power plant based on nuclear energy. We have last topic learn about the power plant on thermal energy. But the problems of the thermal power plants, the air pollution, then limitations of the fuel in a future, then no available coal, then the new energy for a power plant based on a nuclear energy, the new energy are used in the power plant based on a nuclear energy. Also, steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. Most important part to rotate the generator. Then their turbines rotate. Then after generate electric power. Then the steam turbine. The steam turbine. The how can work it? Then the turbines rotations by steam, then how energies are needed. Okay, however here the energy released by the fusions of nuclei of an atom like uranium or platinum is used to generate the steam a high temperature and high pressure. There absence of coal or new energy or to create a steam. The energy in the steam rotate the turbines. You can learn about the fusion or nucleus are bombarded on uranium, then release a energy. That time a collision or bombarded by the other alpha beta gamma rays. You can learn in a Rutherford experiment. The emitting a radiation by uranium, platinum, these are the nuclear energy emitted by radiations. These are used here. The energy in steam rotate the turbine in which in turn derive the generator produce electricity. The flow charts of the nuclear power plants is shown in the figure. Flow charts here. The nuclear rotate for a nuclear fission. Nuclear reactor. Reactor for nuclear fission. As systems for a steam, a generation of the water. The fuel are uranium or platinum. The system for a conversion of the steam back into the water. The last topic, thermal power plant, the cooling steam are converted into water and go to the vapor and hot air. That time cool water and reuse this water as like here a circulate system as like a steam back to into the water. Here the system for a generator for the water, then steam turbines, generator and electrical energy. These are the flow charts from one end initial to ending point. Thus here nuclear energy is converted into the thermal energy. The nuclear energy is converted into thermal energy. Thermal energy is converted into the kinetic energy of a steam. Kinetic energy steam is converted into the kinetic energy of turbines, and finally the kinetic energy of the turbine is converted into the electrical energy. The step by step transformation of the energy is shown in the figure. As like energies conversions, energy can be neither can be create or not a destroy okay. Nuclear energy is convert into the thermal energy, then kinetic energy in a steam, kinetic energy in a turbines, and electrical energy are converted. How does the nuclear fission take place? Here the most important topic. You can also in your mind the how can fission take place nuclear. Then first one, when a neutron is bombarded on an atom of uranium. You can last year the Rutherford experiment, the uranium radiation molecule elements, radiation elements are alpha, beta, gamma rays radiate. They here the when neutron is bombarded on an atom of uranium 235, it absorbs the neutron and the converted into the its isotope uranium. Uranium 235 is absorb the neutron, bombarded neutrons त्याच्यावरती uranium 235 means atomic number. And converted into the isotopes, atomic mass numbers, and is absorb the neutron and converted into isotopes 236. Uranium 236 being extremely unstable, converted into the atoms. The outermost shell of the transition elements are 3. Outermost shells are unstable. There the unstable converted into the atoms of the barium and krypton in a 2 new elements 236 isotopes uranium are converted into the 2 elements barium and krypton through a process of fission, releasing 3 neutrons. That time 3 neutrons are released, and that time 200 megawatt energies. The 3 neutrons generated in this process causes fission of 3 other uranium 235 atom, release more energy. The neutrons release in these reactions, they release more energy through a fission or more uranium nuclei. This process of fission of uranium 235 atoms continue and is called as the chain reactions. These are the 3 neutrons, 3 uranium. After 3 uranium atoms are also 3 neutrons. These process are continuously. A control chain reaction result in the release of thermal energy, which is used for electrical energy generation. Here first neutrons here bombarded on uranium 235 92 atomic mass number is 235 is a mass number, or 235 one neutron is added here, then a new uranium atom 236 their atomic mass is converted into unbalanced, or the two elements are created barium and krypton. That time 200 MV electrical ray or energy are pass out, and then 3 neutrons are bombarded on 3 uranium atoms. Then the one neutron are added, and these are the uranium unstable. 236 mass of the uranium is then again barium and kryptons are two elements are created, and that timer energy are released 200 MV. Here a chart are given. You have find this valley: Kundakulam, Tarapur, Rawalbhata, Kaiga. These are the state and capacity you have find, and give the answer in a comment box YouTube. These are my channels, or you have subscribe, share and like it. Okay, thank you for nuclear fission. You have seen here a topic, nuclear fission chain reactions are given in a 5.10 figure. Here the schematic diagram of a nuclear power plants. Then nuclear fission, here you have seen that the nuclear fission as like same the thermal power plants, but here the stock, here carbon stock are absent, and here warm water and cooling water stock are here, but warm water are here goes by pump, and then pump are heating water by the nuclear fusion and go to the steam. The steam are release turbines, and turbines rotate here, rotating, and the cooling or warm waters are goes here and pass out in a cooling tank. And electrical generator are generate the electric power plant. A nuclear power plant does not use a fossil fuel like a coal. Therefore the problems like air pollution do not arise. या ठिकाणी बघा, त्या ठिकाणी धूरच होत नाही. तर फॉसिल फ्युएलमध्ये जसं कोलमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड, सल्फर डायऑक्साईड, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आर toxins gases are created, but here no air pollutions. Also, if sufficient nuclear fuel is available, this can be a good source of electrical energy. However, there are a few problems associated with a nuclear power generation. Some nuclear problems are here created. The first one problems, the product after fusion of nuclear fuel are also radioactive and emit harmful radiations. इथे हार्मफुल रेडिएशन्स त्या ठिकाणी पास आउट होत आहेत. रेडिओ जे काही इमिटिंग हार्मफुल रेडिएशन्स जे आहेत, द प्रॉडक्ट आर कॉल्ड ॲज अ न्यूक्लिअर वेस्ट. मग त्या ठिकाणी जसं कार्बन डायऑक्साईड, मोनॉक्साईड, sulfur dioxide are toxic gases present in air. Their air pollution are produced, but here the nuclear waste form. How to dispose the nuclear waste safely is a big challenging before the scientists समोर हा मोठा प्रॉब्लेम्स आहे की तो जो काही तयार होणारा जो काही न्यूक्लिअर वेस्ट आहे, हा एक यक्ष प्रश्न त्या ठिकाणी उभा राहिला आहे. दुसरं, अन ॲक्सिडेंट या न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट कॅन बी व्हेरी फॅटल, महाभयंकर, प्रचंड असं त्या ठिकाणी नुकसान होईल. दिस इज बिकॉज द ॲक्सिडेंट मे बी रिझल्ट इन रिलीज अन अ व्हेरी हार्मफुल रेडिएशन्स. मग त्या ठिकाणी जीवित हानी होऊ शकते, वित्त हानी होऊ शकते, आणि त्याच्यामुळे फार मोठा प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट होऊ शकतो असं त्या ठिकाणी आहे. आता हे बघा या ठिकाणी ऑब्झर्व द स्कीमॅटिक ऑफ थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट अँड द न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट, डिस्कस व्हॉट आर द सिमिलर अँड डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन द टू. दोघांमध्ये काय सारखेपणा आहे, काय वेगळेपणा आहे, त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला राईट डाऊन करायचं आहे. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन अ थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट अँड न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट अँड सिमिलॅरिटीज अँड डिफरन्स बिटवीन देम और टू मीन्स दोघांमधलं त्या ठिकाणी डिफरन्स लिहायचा आहे 2 पॉईंट्स. ओके, गुड डे, गुड बाय, बाय बाय.